peroxide is? Colourless. Everyone, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Colourless. Beautiful. Now this is very close to water. This is H2O2. Who knows what H2O is? Just normal water. So this has an extra oxygen in it, making it super poisonous. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use something called a catalyst, which speeds up the breakdown, and it's going to make it turn into water and oxygen super quickly. So let's add 1, 2, 3. I don't know how high the air conditioning starts working up there, so we'll stop at 3. All right, now we're going to capture all the oxygen using bubbles. And now, does anyone know what we're actually doing? Elephant's toothpaste. What color should we do?
Green!
All right, give me a whoop whoop for yellow. Who thinks yellow? Whoop whoop. All right, who thinks for blue? Who thinks for green? I need a sound for red. For red, go for that. All right, between green and red. And who thinks red? Who thinks green? All sound like a bunch of turkeys. That was for me.
Green.
All right, we're gonna have the green. Woo! Whee! Are you guys ready to mix the two things together?
Yeah.
Are you ready for the mess? Okay. Hopefully you won't hit the roof. Have you guys had a great afternoon at Science Alive? Do not forget, we have one more show after this called the Dr. Quark's Scientific Circus, and it is super, super cool. All right, let's have a big 3, 2, 1, ready? 3, 2, 1. We didn't hit the roof! And if all of this is steam, this gets to 270 degrees, it gets super, super hot. The water turns into a gas, and then all the bubbles are filled with oxygen. And I know some of you are like, touch it, it's hot. 2, food dye is horrible. I didn't even touch the blue, and I've got blue on me. And then lucky last, I do spectacular science, not accurate science, so there's a chance all the poison hasn't been used up. So we have oxygen and steam, and this was the Crazy Colourful Chemistry Show. My name's Nitro Nat. Thank you very much.